Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the device. Charge it and update firmware using Ti-Connect so menus match. Once done, power on and press home to see the app grid. You'll use Documents for Work and Calculator for quick math. Now set mode, choose degrees or radians depending on your class, and set numerical format to auto or float to avoid unexpected notation. Make sure to back up a blank document. This gives you a safe place to create your first problem workspace. You create a new document and immediately add a calculator page and a graphs page to link work. Next, insert notes for instructions and data and lists for tables. This keeps inputs reproducible. Use built-in templates like solve and matrices to avoid syntax errors. Programming functions can automate repetitive tasks. Make sure to name variables clearly so graphs update correctly. Finally, use Ctrl+Enter to evaluate lines and watch the live link between calculator and graphs update as you change values. You finish by saving versions and exporting a PDF to preserve work or to submit homework. Export via document export. If the calculator becomes unresponsive, perform a soft reset first and only remove the battery for a hard reset as a last resort. When results look wrong, check mode settings, unmatched parentheses, and variable name collisions. These cause most issues. If graphs won't display, verify window settings and linked variables. One tip: keep a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.